Hi friends, today we are going to see the information about the Shravan Shanivar. It refers to the Saturday that fall during the holy Hindu month of Shravan, traditionally dedicated to worship Lord Shani and Lord Vishnu. Key rituals and observations. Shravan Shanivar Vrat, devotees keep a partial or complete fast. It is usually broken in the evening after performing sunset prayers. Tel Abhishek, oil offering. Devotees visit Shani temple and offered mustard oil or sesame oil directly onto the idol of Shani Dev to assay his fiery dis, disposition. Offering black items, offering black sesame seeds, black gram, black clothes, and iron item is considered highly pleasing to Shani Dev. People tree worship, lighting the mustard oil lamp under a people tree during twilight, his fundamental ritual to clear past negative karmas. Narsimha and Hanuman Puja worshiping Lord Narsimha or Lord Hanuman on this day is also started practice as both deities protect their followers from the planetary affiliations afflictions. Okay, bye.